Hey, my name is Russell Brunson, and really quick, while I have your attention, I want to tell you about something amazing that's happening this Monday. It's a challenge I want you to be part of, but before I tell you about exactly what that is, I need to tell you the backstory behind why this is so cool and so exciting for you. So some of you know I'm one of the co-founders of a company called Clickfunnels, and inside of Clickfunnels, we have an award called the 2 Comma Club Award, which means somebody's grossed over $1 million inside of a funnel. And recently I asked 30 of our 2 Comma Club winners, I said, if you were to lose everything right now, you lost your friends, your business, your traffic sources, everything, all you had left was your Clickfunnels account, what would you do over the next 30 days to get back on top? And each of these 30 people wrote down a step-by-step blueprint saying, day 1, I would do this, day 2, I would do this, day 3, and they wrote out the whole thing. We took it, we published it in this huge book, which I'm sure you've probably seen before, and it's one of the most amazing marketing books on the planet. But after we published this book, a bunch of people asked me, they said, well, Russell, what would you do if you lost everything? I thought, dang it, I didn't write a chapter in this book. I thought, how about this? What if I broke down what I would do over 30 days, but instead of just telling you in a chapter in the book, we made it into a live challenge. And so the next live challenge is actually starting Monday. We call it the One Funnel Away Challenge, and I want you to be part of it. What we're going to do is every single day for 30 days, you can jump in the members area, you can watch a video from me telling you exactly what to do today, and then you just go and you do it. And we walk you through a step-by-step process for the next 30 days. I want you to be part of the challenge. It's starting Monday, so if you haven't registered yet, click on the link down below, register. I'll even send you a copy of this book for signing up, but you got to do it right now. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the challenge.